So I'm going to show you how to learn and master Claude AI. So not many people know about this, but there is a platform called anthropic.skilljar.com that allows you to learn a lot about Claude AI. Actually, it's quite very comprehensive. There are lots of modules here. As you can see, this is Claude 101. There's Claude Code 101. There's Introduction to Claude Cowork. There's a lot of module here. Once you're on this platform, I'm going to add this URL to the description. Once you're here, there's a lot to do. If you're a developer, there's a lot here for you. Most of the courses here are for developers, and there are also courses for everyday people, that is people who are not into software development and all that. So if you're not into software development, what you want to start with, our advice, is to click on Claude 101. You just open this module. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to the course screen. Now, while you're here, you can see I've completed 14 or 14 lessons already. I've gone through it. It's quite really interesting. These are the topics and what you're going to cover. What is Claude? Your first conversation with Claude, getting better results, Claude desktop app, chat, co-work code. A lot of things here to learn. I can assure you that by the time you're done going through this course, you would actually feel more confident and more knowledgeable towards using AI tools, not just Claude AI now. The beautiful thing about this course is that it's all encompassing. So by the time you go through it, yeah, it was prepared by Claude AI, but when you go through it, you would also learn how to use some other AI tools, because there are certain things that actually apply across different AI tools such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and maybe even other tools that you use on daily basis depending on your workflow and your preference. So what do you think? Do you think you want to try this out? If you want to, this is the link. You can just look at it here, write it down, or you can check the description. I'll definitely add it there. It's not an affiliate link. I wouldn't get anything from this. I'm just sharing knowledge and trying to show other people what has benefited me as well. I hope you get some benefits from this as well. If you found value in this video, or you eventually find value in the course, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.